Hi there, I'm Dr. Bobby Chhoker, cosmetic and implant dentist based here in Sydney. Come on a journey with me as I show you behind the scenes in my life and in my clinic. Hi, I'm Dr. Bobby Chhoker, and today I'm at Henry Schein Halas. Henry Schein Halas is the biggest provider of dental products and materials globally, and they have a very big presence here in Sydney. They also provide one of my top implants, which is the BioHorizons implant, and I'm here with Stuart, who's representing both companies. Hi Stuart.
Hey Bobby, how you doing?
Very good, thank you.
Thanks for coming along today.
Thank you for having me.
Well, BioHorizons is quite an interesting company. We've been around for 25 years now. It's very science-led. We research all of our technologies thoroughly. We're actually one of the only systems that have a technology called laser lock. Now, this system, I know you like laser lock.
I love laser lock.
How have you found a laser lock has worked for your patients?
Basically, where the tissue at the top of the implant, where the implant is emerging, pretty much joins onto the implant as if it was a tooth. And what that does in the future is stop pocketing or the type of thing you get around teeth with gum disease, because that can affect implants as well. So it's almost like an extra protection and a security of that.
Absolutely, particularly with implants, it's not about the short term, it's about long term. Implants are going to be there for a long time, so it's really important to have a solution that's going to work for your patients in the long term. And that's really what we focused on at BioHorizons, is providing technologies that will do this for your patients.
BioHorizons is supported globally, and that is the great thing about it. And the support that we do have, even here locally, is fantastic. Is any componentry, anything that I need, it's on my desk within hours. As I said earlier, I'm here because I like the latest in technology. I went shopping for my surgery to have the very best, and I'm a geek at heart and I love new toys. Stuart, tell me about this.
So what we have here is what's called an intraoral scanner. Now, you may have gone to the dentist before and taken impressions, and this procedure can be a little bit confronting for some people, having the impressions of their teeth done. Now, this piece of technology makes that process more accurate, faster, and a lot more pleasant.
Especially like a camera almost. This is the camera end, this is the actual bit that we hold, and it basically takes a picture, a digital picture, as you move around the teeth, and you can take a 3D picture of the entire mouth, and as you're doing it comes up instantly on screen. So you're no longer having to take molds or impressions. You haven't got a mouthful of glue. It's far more accurate, including a bite and the teeth that are biting against whatever you're restoring. And with the press of a button, it's instantly sent to the laboratory, so they can start working on it before the patient's even left the surgery. So if you're a patient and you're obviously concerned about what type of implants, all the specifics about the implants, how do you get access to this information?
Well, there's two different ways that they can do that. One is we've got a website, www.biohorizons.com, or you can download the app from any app store or Google Play Store, whatever it is that you use, and there's patient-focused information there that they can have a look at and learn all about this type of information.
So guys, before you have an implant placed or have implant treatment, make sure you investigate what exactly is being placed into your body, and if you have questions, ask. Thank you, Stuart, for having me.
Pleasure.
For having us.
Absolutely.
Behind the scenes and showing us around Henry Schein Halas and BioHorizons. And rest assured, I will be back. Well, we will be back.
Well, it was a pleasure having you here, and I hope your patients got an insight into what happens behind the scenes. And if you're thinking about having an implant treatment, go and see Bobby, because he's the expert. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
See you later.
Thank you.